Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to flip your video on CapCut to make it mirror to unmirror or to make unmirror into mirror. So here are the things we're gonna do is go into the CapCut application, and after that it's all up to you. Either you want to do the new project or you want to edit the previous project. For me, I want to choose the previous project that I have here. Okay, I already have the video, and how to make it flip or how to flip it is just by clicking the clip. Okay, and then after that, if you could please take a look on this bottom option here and just like scroll into the left side. Okay, into the left side until you find a edit. Looks like this rectangle here, edit, and then click it, and there will be three options. Either you want to do a mirror, you want to rotate, or you want to crop the clip. Since we want to flip it, just go into the mirror, and after that the video is already in a mirror version, or the video is already flipped. How to check it? Just like play it. So that's how you flip your video on CapCut, guys. If you find out this video is really useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.